And I have a heater. I was actually sent this heater for an unboxing and a review, and all I've done is I've just opened the top. I haven't actually pulled it out yet, so this is very fresh. But this is a Trustech fan heater, model number KPT-1608F, and see some of the specifics here. And so let's unbox it and see what we got. So like I said, all I did was cut the tape, and let's pull it out and see what we have. It's pretty light. Just want to get this to come up. There we go. So, I'll tell you what, give me one moment here. I'm going to rearrange the camera. And we'll get this cut open. Of course, it's always. And so this item is available on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description below. There we go. Take that. We also have as well, this did also come with a remote and instructions. Let's see. I'll take this out. Looks like we got a. Oh, yeah, it does include the battery, so we'll unplug that. And of course, the ever satisfying removal of the protective cover. And take a look at the instruction guide here. So of course all the safety information and all the instructions on the different settings, but let's give it a, okay, let's see, on the warranty, looks like it has a, you can see it there, has a 1-year warranty on it. And let's plug it in and see what it looks like. And I'll have to check. I don't know if this is available in a color other than white. This was just what they sent me. But very nice looking. You can see glossy finish on it. And there's the top control panel, touch sensitive. So let's get this plugged in and give it a shot. I'm gonna stop the video and I'll be back in just a moment. All right, guys, I've got it plugged in and I'm going to turn it on. Oh, by the way, I did want to point out that the heater itself is rated at 1500 watts, and this is a 120 volt heater. And it does have a couple of different modes. One is the low mode is about 1000 watts, and the high mode is 1500 watts. So let's turn it on, and I'll use the remote here. So I'll turn it on, and it does have a flame look on the top, just backlit there, kind of neat. And then we can, let's see, we can turn on the heater. And then you can go, of course, I'll show you here. So we can go up, up, down, of course, and adjust that. And this symbol right here, that is the high heat. And we can change it to, that's low heat, high heat, and then there's also just a fan only mode, which is that one right there. But, let's see, so we'll go back over to high heat, and I'll tell you, I can feel this coming out. I wanted to just kind of show you. It's coming out at about 200, oh gosh, wow, look at that climb. 220 degrees right there. And even if I back up just a little bit, you can see it's still still showing quite high, and I can feel it. It's really, really good. And then we can also do, let's see, we can do the swivel. Oh, didn't give it enough time there. Okay, there it goes. So we can let that swivel back and forth. And I can already tell, just comparing this to another heater that I have, it's about this high, the one that I have already, a different company, but it does not put this much air through. This one is definitely putting more air coming through than the other one that I have. And go through and just do the swivel there. And it looks like, let's see, on the swivel speed, let's see, is this actually controllable? No, it's just swing on and swing off. So you can see what it does there. But definitely plenty of heat coming out, and you can see what it looks like. And the flame thing on the top, you can turn that on or turn it off. Kind of neat, at the very least, a little bit of maybe a night light. And anyway, that's it. I will definitely say, as I said, I mean, it's putting out really, really good heat. I know exactly where I'm going to put this. We have a sitting area upstairs. It's not very cool outside right now where I am, but definitely putting out plenty of heat. So I am very much impressed with it. The Trustech fan heater, you can see the model number there. I'll put a link in the description below. But thank you for watching this quick review, and if you get one, I hope that you enjoy it.